So I had this problem with a jumpy encoder on my Arturia key lab, and it's been bothering me for a bit, so I contacted support and they were super helpful. They asked for a video of it not working and jumping. As you can see here, it is jumping sporadically, not very smooth. Now I go ahead and twist the other ones to show you how they should behave. These are working perfectly fine. They were more than happy to send me a replacement encoder free of charge. It took 9 days from it being shipped from France to arriving in San Diego, California. I was super thrilled that they sent it to me for free and threw in some stickers. Please be advised, this will void your warranty. I've owned this MIDI controller for over 2 years, so it's way past its warranty, and I felt comfortable pulling it apart as I've soldered some things before. I usually record myself breaking down electronics just in case I misplace a part or don't know where a screw goes or am unsure where a connector goes. Mind you, I've already taken it apart trying to clean the encoder per some of the forum message boards of soaking it or cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. It did absolutely nothing. I wasn't sure how support was going to handle this request, as I've read on the forum and message boards that other people have contacted Arturia and they were less than helpful, but they were more than happy to help me. So after you pull off all the knobs, go ahead and pull the piece out, and this is the encoder we're going to be replacing. Mind you, I've never done anything like this before. I watched a couple of YouTube tutorials and thought, hey, I can do this, so I got myself some copper braided wire to remove the solder and some extra solder, pulled out my soldering pen and got to work. Took a little longer than I expected. I had never done anything like this before. My 30-watt soldering pen wasn't enough, so I ended up borrowing a soldering gun from my neighbor that was 150 watts. That seemed to do the job. Soldering the encoder was easy because I've done simple soldering jobs like this before. I went ahead and reattached the board. I ended up having to pull it apart because I forgot which connector goes, which is why I'm glad I recorded the entire process so I knew exactly where it went. Removing the encoder and cleaning the solder to install the new chip took a lot longer than I anticipated. The YouTube tutorials made it seem like a very simple and easy task. It wasn't. Here's the moment of truth. It turned on, all the buttons worked, and the knob works as intended. Again, here's a side-by-side comparison of the before and after. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. Feel free to like, and have a good day.